Aww, what a nice boy, huh? Yeah, it's a good patty, huh? Do you like your puppy? Yeah, is he a good boy? Are you giving him love? Nope, he's not gonna go with ya. You still do that, huh? You've done that ever since you were little. Yeah. Is that fun? Do you have your stuffed puppy? Are you going to show Patty your stuffed puppy? Yeah. Do you like that puppy? It's a good puppy. Yeah. No, I don't think Patty's going to go anywhere. But you can love him right there. No, he's not going anywhere. Are you a puppy too? Oh, hi puppy. Should I throw that for you? You gonna go get it? Yay! Yeah? Oh, how fun! Yay, Abby!